in 3, 2, 1, go!
Welcome to the lower bracket, match 9. Alliance 5 wearing red, Alliance 3 wearing blue. We have Coral scored autonomously on both sides of the field. It looks like one extra so far on the red Alliance Reef, but blue just scored their third on L4. So higher value Coral for the blue Alliance, but more for the red Alliance, meaning a slight red Alliance lead as drivers take control. 79-15 for the Red Alliance, Rippin' Robotics. They are collecting algae out of that red reef and looking to score it up in the net. Here comes what will be the second algae scored, tying it up at least for the moment. Meanwhile, Blue Alliance, they are all Coral all day, all of them on L4 for the time being. Martin Motion, they are looking for the penultimate Coral on that level 4. Paradigm Shift right alongside, drops it off quickly. Beast Robotics 2202 drops one toward the center of that reef. It does fall to the floor. Martin Motion, they get that Coral in place, and as their elevator falls down, they're able to knock a piece of algae right out of their way, and then they return to that exact position. Level 3 now nice and clear for Martin Motion, so they're going to start filling up level 3 on their side of the reef. Beast and Martin work from one Coral station. Paradigm works from the other. All three robots on both sides. They are undefended. 3v3 on offense. Rippin' Robotics right next to their partner Arsenal. They collect from one station. Robotics has the other for themselves. These alliances still neck and neck. 5 points of separation. But for the first time crossing the field is Robotics. Lake Zurich's Robotics a nudge to Martin Motion, and they are going to park themselves right next to that Coral station. Some algae in the way of Beast, and with Robotics there to take up some space, the Blue Alliance is down to just one viable Coral station unless they're able to push Robotics out of their way to regain some access. Red Alliance using this to their advantage. They pulled ahead with a slight lead. Still some opportunity for high value Coral. Blue, they are out of options on level 4. So Red is going to be able to stretch this higher value Coral as long as they're continuing to work from level 4. Robotics, as soon as they hear the sonar ping, they get into that barge. Barge is messy though for the Red Alliance. They've got to be careful to get clear of those game pieces. One member of Red is up, that's Arsenal of Engineering. They rotate on their cage as time expires. We've got some robots hovering. The Red Alliance. Alliance 5 will be moving on in our playoff tournament. A score of 155 to 140. Alliance 5 moving on to match 12. That does mean